Advanced Millimeter Wave Systems for Informatics at Gigabit, or Amazing, is developed at Indian Institute of Science for submitting to 5G Hackathon contest organized by Department of Telecommunications, Government of India. The aim of the project is to develop a hardware platform with all associated software for streaming multiple high-quality videos or other high-bandwidth data to multiple users simultaneously within a boardroom, classroom, factory floor, airplane, train, luxury bus coaches, cabins, etc., providing customized immersive experience to all users. The main innovation and amazing is the utilization of the high bandwidth provided by millimeter wave bands over short ranges. All video content will be transferred from server to client using millimeter wave. In order to limit hardware complexity and hence the overall cost, we use another band, Wi-Fi, for sending the requests like video selection, play or pause from clients to the server. In our initial implementation, such devices with Linux operating system is demonstrated. A server PC is set up with the necessary additional hardware developed by Team Amazing. A custom hardware like a dongle is connected at each user terminal or the clients. Let's look at the hardware. In the transmitter section, we have a PC connected to software-defined radio (SDR) giving sub-6 GHz frequency IF signal to the up converter, which generates millimeter wave frequency around 28 GHz, and it is transmitted by a 2x2 active beam steering antenna array. In this, we have used a beam steering antenna array designed with a beamformer MMIC integrated in the antenna. We built a Python-based GUI to control the phase and amplitude weights of the beamformer MMIC. Using this, we can steer the beam digitally in the direction of the required receiver or client position. The transmitted 28 GHz signal is received by the RX antenna and is passed through a down converter to reduce the frequency and fed to SDR, which is connected to the client system. A local oscillation at 6.5 GHz is provided to both the up and down converters separately. All the boards are integrated to form a single TX module and RX module, that is, server and client modules respectively. Now you can see video streaming over 5G millimeter wave using Amazing in action. That demonstrated a video streaming between a server and a client. Let's look at how we simultaneously stream different videos to multiple clients. The high-level architecture consists of one server serving multiple clients with multimedia and infotainment services. Hence, to give each client a dedicated link for data transmission, multiple SDRs, each operating at different center frequencies. As an example here, two center frequencies F1 and F2 are used. The signals from these individual SDRs are then added using Power Combiner before they get to the transmit stage. It was taken care that two different streams do not interfere with each other and they have sufficient separation between their center frequencies. Here we outline the high-level software blocks integrated to deploy the multimedia platform. The server application has an IP link with each client over Wi-Fi or Ethernet interface. The media control commands are exchanged over this link. For each video stream, the server writes video to an UDP port. GNU Radio reads these ports, performs encoding and modulation of the video signal, and then sends it to the particular SDR for transmission. With this deployment method, there is scope to use 5G millimeter wave technology in diverse application scenarios. Millimeter waves gigabit speeds will allow data-intensive streaming like movies, interactive multimedia, gaming, etc. to multiple clients using a single transmitter or a single server. We achieve this by combining our simultaneous transmission method with the 5G millimeter wave transmitter and receiver modules. In this example transmitter module section, you can see 10 different video streams passing through a high-speed combiner or switch at 10 dedicated frequencies using SDRs, and finally up-converted and transmitted using our 5G antenna array in various directions towards the clients using beam steering. Each user terminal or client is provided with the receiver module which receives the 5G signal, downconverts and passes it through an SDR to decode and play the video. We have now developed and tested a compact receiver board which integrates the downconverter and frequency synthesizer. It was interfaced to a client unit to play videos. The server and client GUI are built using PyQt and embedded VLC elements. VLC backend is used to manage the media at the server. Our media player handles independent streams for control and data. The player GUI has a file navigation menu which is used to select files from the media library available on the server. When the play button is pressed, the stream starts and is buffered in the background. We have the options to control play or pause, playback speed, and stop the stream, which clears the buffer. Other features include broadcasting instructions or update messages to all or a select few clients. This concludes the Phase 2 update for the 5G Hackathon contest. Thanks for watching.